Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Screenflow 10. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to detach audio from a video clip. So here I have a video clip that I recorded in QuickTime. The video and the audio are on the same clip. But I want to separate the audio so it's on its own track, just like I have here, where the video is on one track and the audio is on the other track. To detach the audio in Screenflow 10, all you have to do is select the clip that contains both the video and the audio and right-click or control-click right on the clip and select Detach Audio. You can also come up to the top menu, click on Clip, and there you will also see Detach Audio. So the clip is selected. I'm going to right-click or control-click and click on Detach Audio. And now I have a clip here. This is only the video. And now this clip is only the audio. I'm just going to click and drag it above so it matches the other audio. And just like that, I've detached the audio from that original QuickTime clip. But if you ever get a recording where the video and the audio are on the same clip, but you want to separate them so you have fine control of your editing, all you have to do is select the clip on the timeline, right-click or control-click, and click on Detach Audio. You can arrange it however you want. I like the audio on top. So now I have the audio on its own track and the video on another track, so I can edit them independently. And that is how to detach audio in Screenflow 10. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.